Students, today I am going to discuss about ESP packet format. The full form of ESP is Encapsulating Security Payload. ESP can be used to provide confidentiality, data origin authentication, connectionless integrity, and anti-replay service, and traffic flow confidentiality. The set of services provided depends on option selected at the time of security association establishment and on the location of the implementation in a network topology. Figure A shows the top level format of an ESP packet. This is figure A. Okay. It contains the following fields. First one, security parameters index. Security parameters index. It is a 32-bit field and it identifies a security association. Next is sequence number. Next is sequence number. It is also a 32-bit field and it is a monotonically increasing counter value. This provides an anti-replay function. Next one is payload data or variable. This is a transport level segment in a transport mode or IP packet in the tunnel mode that is protected by encryption. Next one is padding. It is a 0 to 255 bytes field. Next one is integrity check value. Padding length. This one. Padding length. It is a 8-bit field, indicates the number of pad bytes immediately preceding this field. Next one is next header field. It is also a 8-bit field, identifies the type of data contained in the payload data field by identifying the first header in the payload. Example is an extension header in IPv6 or an upper layer protocol such as transmission control protocol. Next one is integrity check value. Integrity check value. It is a variable length field, must be an integral number of 32-bit words that contains the integrity check value computed over the ESP packet minus the authentication data field. Two additional fields may be present in the payload that is shown in figure B. Figure B. That is initialization value. Here, this one, initialization value, and it is present if this is required by the encryption or authenticated encryption algorithm used for a ESP. If tunnel mode is being used, then the IP security implementation may add a traffic flow confidentiality. So, traffic flow confidentiality, that is TFC padding after the payload data and before the padding field. Next, the payload data, padding, pad length and next header fields are encrypted by the ESP service. If the algorithm used to encrypt the payload requires cryptographic synchronization data such as initialization vector, in short it is represented as IV, then these data may be carried explicitly at the beginning of the payload data field. If included, an IV is usually not encrypted, although it is often referred to as being a part of the ciphertext. Next, integrity check value. Here it is ICV. The ICV field is optional. It is present only if the integrity service is selected and is provided by either a separate integrity algorithm or a combined mode algorithm that uses an ICV. The ICV is computed after the encryption is performed. This order of processing facilitates rapid detection and rejection of replayed or bogus packet by the receiver prior to decrypting the packet, hence potentially reducing the impact of denial of service attacks. It also allows for the possibility of parallel processing of packets at the receiver, that is, decryption can take place in parallel with integrity checking. And note that because of ICV is not protected by encryption, a keyed integrity algorithm must be employed to compute the ICV. Next, padding. The padding field serves several purposes. If an encryption algorithm requires the plain text to be a multiple of some number of bytes, example the multiple of a single block for a block cipher, the padding field is used to expand the plain text consisting of the payload data, padding, pad length and next header fields to the required length. The ESP format requires that the pad length and next header field be right aligned within a 32-bit word. Equivalently, the ciphertext must be an integer multiple of 32 bits. The padding field is used to assure this alignment. Additional padding may be added to provide partial traffic flow confidentiality by concealing the actual length of the payload. Thank you, and I will continue next topic in the next video. Thank you.